Hello everyone, today we are going to make Ragi banana smoothie. For making Ragi banana smoothie, we require all these ingredients. 1 ripe banana, 2 tea tablespoon Ragi flour, 1 tea tablespoon jaggery powder, 4 almonds and 5 to 6 raisins, 2 soaked dates which I have soaked for half an hour, half glass lukewarm water and half glass milk. So let's get started. First we are going to switch on the gas and we are going to add ragi flour and dry roast ragi flour on a low heat. Now I am going to add half cup of lukewarm water into it. Mix it briskly so that there should be no lumps in the ragi flour. Add little bit more water into it. Now I am going to add half 1 tea tablespoon of milk into this ragi flour. Mix it very well so that now this ragi flour porridge is ready. Turn off the gas and leave it for 5 minutes until it cools down completely. Now after 5 minutes, now you can see this ragi porridge is completely cooled down. Now we are going to make a smoothie of this ragi flour and we are going to add all these ingredients into a blender. I am going to put this ragi porridge into this blender. Ragi is also known as finger millet. Now I am going to add half 1 full banana, jaggery powder, two dates. I have removed the seeds from these dates. If you have soft dates, then you don't need to soak it for half an hour. I have added 2 dates and half cup milk and water. I am going to blend it for blend this for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open this blender jar. I'm going to transfer this smoothie and then I'm going to garnish this smoothie with almonds and raisins. Our ragi banana smoothie is ready to serve. Thank you so much.